Hey crafty friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're going for a hike and a fun painting session at Vasquez Rocks. So let's get going. I wanted to mention really quick that I have enabled YouTube memberships, so if you're enjoying the crafty car adventures and want to support future episodes, I will leave a link to join the channel down below. But y'all, let's get to some hiking. I love hiking at Vasquez. It's probably my favorite place in LA that I've hiked so far. But if y'all have suggestions for me of places to hike in Southern California that you think I should check out, definitely feel free to leave me suggestions down below. The rock formations here at Vasquez are not only otherworldly, like when you're there, y'all, you feel like you're on Mars. It's pretty incredible. But the rocks have also been used in all sorts of TV shows and movies and all sorts of stuff. But it got its name actually from an oldie time bandit who used the rocks back in the 1800s to hide out from like the law-abiding sheriffs and stuff. So I love that. I love that there's cultural stuff, but also some history to it. Plus, it's just so beautiful. Today, I'll be creating a painted spread in my traveler's notebook, but I thought I would go ahead and show you guys all the supplies that I'll be using. So I have some Tombow dual brush pens, some Tombow adhesives, of course. I have a water brush floating around, some washi, stickers, and my little photo printer. And my plan is to watercolor a landscape painting in my TN of the rocks. And not only will I get to practice my watercoloring skills today, but I'm also just getting to craft outside, which y'all know by now I totally love. For today's painting, I will be using Tombow dual brush pens, and the set that I'm using is the muted palette. I really like the colors in this particular set. The fact that they're muted makes them really great for landscapes. You can see I did a really soft blue wash for the sky, and right now I am using the color 026 to create my first base layer of color. For the next layer of color, I'm using Tombow dual brush pen 947. It's kind of a nice medium brown that I think acts really well for layering. So I am using it to help build up some of the darker colors of the rocks and to start building the deeper tones of the shadows that I see on the rock formation. Now I am using the color 969 to add some fun details. This is a darker brown, and I just like to work light to dark. For me, I feel like I can control the final product a little bit more and it doesn't get as muddy on me. I did want to go ahead and kind of fill in with a light wash of color down here at the bottom of the page. I don't need it to be more of the rocks, I just needed kind of a background for my journaling. But y'all, we gotta wait for paint to dry, so why not take a little snooze, right? Take a snooze on a rock and live your best life, you guys. I do like how my painting turned out, but y'all, a project for me is not a project unless there's washi tape on it. I feel like you've been here for any length of time, you probably know this. I love me some washi tape, so I'm just using some Tombow Extreme to help glue it down to the paper, and I'm also going to use that same adhesive to glue these fun little photographs that I took on this day and then printed right there on the spot, which is really fun. So if you guys are interested in a little portable printer, camera printer, whatever, photo printer, definitely check out the description. I love my Instax, and I will leave a link down below for you guys. For me, also, it's not really a TN spread without some kind of journaling, so I'm using a Tombow Fudinasuki to write the little hashtag, and then some Tombow Mono drawing pens to write my journaling. I love these pens. They come in different points, which I really appreciate. And then just a little bit of added extra pencil detail. I felt like the page was missing a little bit of something, and then this will help tie in the pencil sketch from my landscape painting. And this is my finished spread. But y'all, we still gotta hike back out. We gotta get back to the crafty car. We can't just live here forever. So let's pack things up. Let's hustle on out. It's starting to get dark. Gotta go home. Gotta eat some dinner because by this point I'm starving. Get some carbs going with some Sprite, as one does on a short day hike. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along on this hike with me. I hope that you had fun painting with me. And yeah, let me know if you guys want more videos like this. It was a lot of fun to make. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Crafting Adventure. Bye, friends!